that, you know what? You guys must not be attached to your own pets like me. Why did I just say that? I am attached. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I've shot a video and posted it, but it feels like yesterday only. But yeah, I know I've been MIA for like 6 months or something. There's no reason I took a break or anything. It just happened, and it wasn't like I wasn't feeling like shooting anything, or I had ideas in my mind, but I'm a big procrastinator. No excuses. I'm really sorry for being like literally gone. And yeah, I've been active on my Instagram though. Since last month was my birthday month, I posted a lot of content, posted makeup picture, like I created some different kinds of looks. I even posted a reel on how I celebrated birthday in my house with my parents because we are in a lockdown. So yeah, it feels like I hope you guys are doing well, and without any delay, let's get started with the video. Since you have seen the title of the video, what it is about, let me tell you again. I'm gonna tell you 10 things which will help you out to survive in this lockdown. And trust me, I'm still trying. It's just, I'll tell you guys a quick story about why I made this video. It's because yesterday night I wasn't able to sleep properly because my some of my close relatives, they are not well, they're hospitalized, and I was feeling so low, and I was just I don't know how to describe that feeling when someone close to you is there in the hospital and you're not able to see them. It's the worst feeling ever, and I know some of you all must be feeling what I have been feeling. And yeah, it's just that feeling is very weird. I have never felt that way because I've always been close to my family, and whenever I need them, they're always there for me, and vice versa. So I wrote down things in my planner, and I thought, why not make a video on it? So I quickly noted down. Literally, I wrote these points at like 5 a.m. in the morning. All these points are what I have been trying and what I will recommend you to do, because they have been helping me out a lot. There was a time when I was going through this so much stress, but my parents helped me a lot. Because of their help, I thought that why not make this lockdown a little more productive? Like, why not just focus on the greener side? That was the short story, not so short. Let's get started with the point, most important point, which is to watch minimum amount of news. Do not open the news channel until you feel like the need of getting updated. It is very important to stay updated, but do not soak in the information more than it is needed. Keep minimum but precise amount of information which is required, not more than that, because it will cause all the negative effect on your mental health, and that's gonna be very difficult for you to manage. So do not do that. Number 2, spend time with your pets. Try spending loads and loads of time with your pets. For those who have any pet or anything, try spending time more in nature. Try watching birds, just watching them, what they are doing. Go and feed your street dog. Will make you feel so much better. It's like a healthy distraction for you. Try spending time with them. They are so good for your mental health. They are. Third point is, do not forget to check up on your friends, family. We're all going through tough times, so all we can do is just check on people, check on how they're doing. Do they need any help them, because that is what will keep you busy, but it will also help others. FaceTime your family, create Zoom calls, Zoom meetings with your family, chat with them. In any way you can communicate, do that. Do not just sit around or just wait for them to call first. Do not get egos in between, because it's not the time for that. Trust me, it is not. So do that, and it will all be fine. Fourth point is to make a skincare routine. Please do that, because creating a skincare routine, it's the best way. I mean, if your skin is good, if you're looking good, you will feel good. For the boys as well, boys, you do not want to see your girls after all this with all those breakdowns or bad faces or restless faces. You do not. So please, this is for everyone watching. Take time to pamper your skin, stay as much hygienic as you can. It is very important. Fifth point, capture moments. Say cheese. Most of you must not be uh, good at clicking pictures, but try. Click picture of your parents, click picture of yourself or nature or anything you feel like capturing, or you feel like it is giving you positivity. Just capture that moment. Must have noticed I have got this tattoo. No, I'm not a professional photographer. I'm not. I have a special bond with camera. I can't describe what that feeling I have when being captured. Let's get back to the topic. Sixth point is read books. You know, when you're reading a book, you create your own world. That world is called imagination, where you imagine things while reading. So recently I came across this book called Ikigai, and you can find it on Amazon, or I will also share the link of these books where you can read them for free online, because I know it's not possible for everyone to, you know, just order something. You will gather a lot of positivity if you read them. Seventh point, introspect and make or write your plans down. Make a journal, make your own diary where you are writing what things happen in your entire day. Just write it all down, write all your feelings down, what you feel for people, what you are feeling from within, because it will help you collect your thoughts. Eighth point is to listen to music, dance, meditate, or play games. These are the activities which will not only make you physically feel good but mentally also. Not only it will build your immunity, but it will also make you feel healthier and better, and you will feel the change in you. You will feel more active. You will feel like doing things. You will be more productive. Ninth point is to cook or bake. Whenever I cook, and my parents appreciated that, Shvangi, this is good, this is something amazing, I feel that achievement. So just go and, you know, cook something for your mom. Just go and give her a break and cook something, bake something instead. Just make something. Go check out some recipes. There are some crazy recipes on internet for literally everything. 10th point is take a proper diet. It is very important what you are eating, since we have to keep our immunity levels very good at this time. Keep yourself hydrated as well. It is very important to keep yourself hydrated since the temperature is rising. So it is important that we are taking a proper liquid diet as well. Try doing these things, and yeah, do give me a review that you did that and you felt good. It will help me sleep better at night. It will help me a lot. That's a wrap. Share this video with your family, friends, so that they can also do these things and they can also be productive. I promise that I'll be active from now onwards. I'll try posting at least one video a week. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.